Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace broken screen of a borderless frameless TV. This is a higher bezel-less TV. I have powered on the TV and you can see its screen is broken. It have cracks in panel. It has no bezel from three sides. I will turn the TV and open its back cover. It's a higher 43-inch TV. Now I will open the screws. Take the back cover off after opening all the screws. Carefully detach all the wires connected to the main board. Next, remove the logic board. Detach all FPC cables from mainboard side and panel side. Now remove any tape pasted on scalar PCBs. Free scalar PCB from the locking hooks. You can see our scalar PCB is free now. Turn the TV again and remove the front protecting bezel. It has two screws. Gently press it upwards. It has tiny locks. Put it on a side. Take some piece of tape and paste the scalar PCB with panel. Now take thinner or you may use any cleaning solvent containing thinner. Spray it in all three sides of the panel. This will loosen the bond between panel and frame. I am using a piece of reflecting sheet removed from an old LED TV. You can also use X-ray for this purpose. Insert its one corner under the screen. Now slide it slowly under panel on all three sides. Make sure it will not come out on the turns. You can see our panel is now detached. Lift it with your both hands and place it on side. Next step is to remove the double side tape from the TV frame. Take premium quality panel double side tape. Remember to use best quality tape, otherwise your panel will not be attached permanently and eventually it will break again. Paste the tape on the frame as I am doing in the video. Cut the extra tape from corners. Don't peel off the whole tape cover. Instead, just take off from all corners. And bend it a little bit. This will help us adjusting the panel within the frame. Now carefully take the new panel and place it on the TV frame gently. Make sure new screen is seated on its place. After confirming the panel position from all corners, peel off the cover of double side tape from all sides. Press the panel gently with fingers. This will fix the screen bond. You are watching our new panel is now installed successfully. Take 2-inch transparent tape and attach it on the panel top side with the frame. This will help holding the newly installed screen. Now here are two conditions. Have you installed the same part number of panel that was broken, or you have installed some other model? In this video I have installed other model panel. It have a different logic board. You can clearly see that FPC cable does not have the required input jack compatible with this newly installed logic board. Here you have two choices. Either you can use a new FPC cable having the same input jack, or you can modify the original FPC cable to attach with this logic board. I am using a new one. However, I will give you my video link on how to modify the FPC cable in this video description. You can also modify this cable if you have not the new one. Last step is to connect all the FPC cables and back cover cables to the main board. Install all the screws of back cover. Now gently place the front protecting bezel and press it in its locks. Tight its both screws and you are ready to go. It's checking time now. You are watching our newly installed panel. Screen is working fine. Subscribe the channel and like the video. Goodbye.